Namaste, and in this video we are going to see what all moon signs can expect in the month of February. Um, I wanted to post this video before, but sorry for the delay. However, I'm posting it in the most important week in this month when we have conjunction of Mars and Rahu. So let us see how the month is going to be for each sign. If you have moon in Aries, Mesha Rashi, then expect some delays and obstacles at work from the elderly. Talk to them and learn from them. Do not get carried away with your relationship or partnership. If your partner is wrong, better to change the way you act and be on the right side. Aries folks, all the Aries natives, remember to keep your word and do not be aggressive. If you have moon in Taurus, Vrishabh Rashi, Rahu and Mars are going over your moon, and hence this yoga makes you aggressive. It can make you focus just on your own self, your own earning and hoarding, and in that process you can lose support from your clients as well as partners or your spouse. So remember, go slow and special care to be taken while driving and operating any machinery. If you have moon in Gemini, Mithun Rashi, it may happen that you are feeling lost, kind of agitated, but the good news is now that Mercury is now no longer retrograde, you will have things going in the right direction. It might have happened that you don't know from where enemies are coming or from where all the competition is coming up. But don't look at other people, don't look at such things. Try to focus inwards, improve and change yourself so that you are ready for the better times. Since Mercury is not Vakri anymore, things are moving forward and you will have good time. If you have moon in Cancer, Karka Rashi, the rule for the month of February is have patience in dealing with others and work harder. Since you have Saturn and Jupiter in your 7th house, whatever efforts you put in, you will get rewards for that, but little later or with lot of patience. But there are rewards since Saturn is present in its own sign. If you have moon in Leo, Simha Rashi, in the month of February, your Rashi Lord Sun is in the nakshatra of Shatavisha now. Hence, be careful about your investments. Be careful about what belongs to you or what is the possession of other people. Do not have greed and try to snatch away things from others. This is the key for the month of February as well as March. You may feel disconnected from family or home, or maybe seen at work or social front seems more attractive. Careful about your social connections. Leo folks love to mingle with others, they like to have company, but just be careful who is in your social circle. If you have moon in Virgo, your Rashi Lord Mercury is no longer retrograde, so things are changing slowly. This is a good news for the week of later part of the February. You may need to make 3 attempts or 3 tries before you decide to give up on something. Don't give up so easily. Do not be jealous of siblings or teammates. If they get success, don't be jealous. This is a time to learn from them. Understand how they function and try to do the similar things for your own self. If you have moon in Libra, Tula Rashi, you guys need to be wear helmet if you are driving a moped or two-wheeler. Be careful about driving in general. Be careful about machinery operating. Do not take any drastic decision about marriage or inheritance. Libra natives can work with the mentor or advisor to give you more success. If you have Moon in Scorpio, Vrishik Rashi, remember guys, all that glitters is not gold. Your Rashi Lord Mars is in close conjunction with Rahu about a month now. February and March are those months, and hence remember this and then do investments or do any change or any partnerships. Be cautious, verify things, and then jump in. If you have Moon in Sagittarius, in the month of February, later part of February, or even in March, drive carefully, do seva, do donations. Be careful about what your teammates or siblings suggest you should do. However, typically it is in terms of fast gains or speculative gains. You will earn with your own efforts and with your own values. Watch your speech. If you have Moon in Capricorn, Makar Rashi, you might be feeling lost in work. You may be enjoying the status in the society with that, but remember, have patience and reduce your aggression. Your kids will bring some good news for you. Enjoy their success and keep working hard. You are running a good time period because your Rashi Lord is going over your Moon. Whatever hard work you have taken in the past, whatever hard times you have been through, they are getting rewarded now. If you have Moon in Aquarius, Kumbha Rashi, Aquarius folks will earn due to someone else's failure or someone else's losses. But Aquarius natives have to remember to donate something to the needy. Do not forget that. If you are having good time, give a small share to somebody who is in need. Focus on meditation and don't forget to have some quiet time every day. If you have Moon in Pisces, Meena Rashi, this is the time to show more courage and you will get over all the competition. Be open for the opportunities coming your way. If you have ego, that ego can bring everything to zero. It's time to be grounded and be polite, be humble, and treat others with respect. You can do donations, do such payments, pay your debt, and it is the time to correct any wrongdoing of the past. Hope the rest of the February goes well for all the signs. Follow these tips. Also, there is one more important thing to do, that is, if you are going through any issues related to blood, go to the doctor and seek urgent attention. Those of you who believe in doing mantra or any kind of jap, for Saturn, do Hanuman Chalisa, or you can chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha is in fact the mantra that anybody can do at any time. You can do Mrityunjay mantra or you can do Durga Stotra, Durga Arati for Rahu. Drive carefully, have patience, and don't be aggressive and don't be greedy. This is the key for the rest of February and for March. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu.